In this question, you have to identify the incorrect match. Option A, medulla oblongata, is to controls respiration and cardiovascular reflexes. Now, this match is correct because the medulla oblongata is a part of the brainstem which plays a critical role in controlling autonomic functions, that is, respiration and cardiovascular reflexes like heart rate, blood pressure regulation. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, limbic system is to consist of fiber tracts that interconnect different regions of brains and controls movement. Now, the limbic system is mainly involved in regulating emotions, then behavior, motivation, long-term memory, and olfaction. And it is not directly involved in controlling movement. Rather, it influences emotional and behavioral responses. And the limbic system includes structures such as amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus. Hence, this match is incorrect, and thus it is the correct option. Option C, corpus callosum, is to band of fibers connecting left and right cerebral hemisphere. Now, this is also a correct match because corpus callosum is indeed a thick band of nerve fibers that connects the left and the right cerebral hemisphere. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, hypothalamus, is to production of releasing hormones and regulation of temperature, hunger and thirst. Now, this match is also correct because the hypothalamus is indeed responsible for producing, releasing as well as inhibitory hormones that regulate the pituitary gland. And it also plays an important role in homeostatic functions, including temperature regulation, hunger, thirst, and sleep cycles. Hence, it is incorrect option.